very moment, very close to you right now. Very close to you right now. So close to you right now. So close to you. Don't be afraid. Just let it shine. My homie said, shine your light on the world. Shine your light for the world to see. My homie said, shine your light on the world.